Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to change your location on LinkedIn using your PC, especially after the recent updates. Whether you've moved for a new job or just want to update your profile, it's essential to keep your LinkedIn information current. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to the LinkedIn website. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you haven't logged in yet, enter your credentials to access your profile. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see the Me icon, which is represented by your profile picture or an avatar. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select View Profile. This action will take you directly to your profile page where all your personal information is displayed. Now that you're on your profile page, locate the Edit icon, which looks like a small pencil. This icon allows you to edit various sections of your profile. Click on it to proceed. Next, scroll down until you find the section labeled Location. This is where you can update where you currently live or wish to be associated with professionally. Click on the field under Location and a drop-down menu will appear. Here's where you can change your location. Type in your new city or region in the search bar and select it from the suggestions that appear. Make sure to choose accurately as this will affect how recruiters and connections find you. After updating your location, don't forget to click the Save button at the bottom of the page. This step ensures that all your changes are recorded in LinkedIn's system. And that's it. You've successfully changed your location on LinkedIn using your PC. Keeping this information updated is crucial for networking and job opportunities, so make it a habit to check it regularly. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your LinkedIn profile and enhancing your professional presence online.